your silver bullet bedtime stories.
Before fairy tale hunters and garlic clove glory, a rock from the void split the cosmos open, and out stepped the wolf you thought was folklore. Born from a comet chip, crimson tip monolith, crashed through the planet like pardon the confidence. No moo-made mutt, not a forest-based dominance. Outer space oxidized fangs with preposterous competence.
He's on a killing spree. Somebody stop him.
Zero-day species, classified deep freeze. Gen code don't match wolves, gods, nor deep seas. A paw print glowing with quotes and graffiti that spell out formulas even Doom found geeky.
He's on a killing spree.
Scientists panic, lab coat short-circuited, healed every wound like nah hurting kid. Silver just melts down smooth like sherbet did. Alchemy, aroma, first scent, herbal serpent mint.
He's on a killing spree. Somebody stop him.
Monstrous metallurgy, bones like cold circuitry. Night vision bright, infrared on perma-flickery. How sound fractal, echo split per century. Death gotta cease and desist, sign respectfully.
He's on a killing spree.
Stone in the spleen, off-world all clean. Crimson core code in the marrow unseen. Never die, never bleed, no mortal routine.
Wolfman.
Cosmic, over Earth's cuisine.
Wolfman. He's on a killing spree. Somebody stop him.
Anti-mortality clause built pre-creation. Came with a warranty beyond expiration. Bury me? Cool, enjoy your imagination. I'll dig out smiling, snacking on the frustration.
He's on a killing spree. Somebody stop him.
Barbaric brain but politely articulate. Bite mark fonts, write books when I'm nibbling. Fur full of stardust, interstellar filament. Mouthpiece sharper than a villain script filament.
He's on a killing spree.
Apex anomaly, galaxy-born prodigy. Camouflage calm soundtrack, dark mahogany. Pulse stays idle like broken astrology. And when I die, that's comic anthology.
He's on a killing spree. Somebody stop him.
I don't fear silver moonlight clergy. I fear no reefer fries that are broke down Wendy's. Laugh at the hunters like,
bro, don't tempt me.
I hit the confessional booth with a full course entree.
He came from the stone. He walks through decay. Not tomorrow, not yesterday. The Wolfman don't die. He responds from clay. Close the book, it reopens anyway. He's on a